Hi, you use Gmail and also Zoho CRM, and you don't know how to bring your contacts and leads to the CRM directly from Gmail. You have heard about the Gmail and Zoho CRM extension, but you don't know how it works. This video is for you. I'm going to show you in this video how to bring your contacts slash leads from your Gmail to your Zoho CRM using the Zoho extension with the Gmail. Here we're inside of this demo. It's a Zoho CRM account. You come to here to the top, the setup. Under Marketplace, you have Google here. Under Google, you click Chrome extension for Gmail. Then you're going to go through the process to authenticate, click Install extension, add to Chrome. I just want to make sure you're aware that this extension only works with the Chrome browser. Add extension. After the extension has been added, you're going to get this pop-up, also this step here to do the authentication. Click Authenticate Zoho. You already connect to your Gmail. Click Accept. Now you have this connection here. You can create a lead or a contact from here. Or if you come to, let's say, this Alex Vaz testing, it goes collect the basic information, or you can click, you can add as a contact, or you can add as a lead. You can see it recognize the phone number that is in here. It recognized the email, the full name, and the type, and you can always add it. And once you are okay with the information, just click add lead. Oh, you need to add the company because company is a required field. Let's put CSI Inc. here. And let's add the link. Okay, done. Now you can see it has the connection. You can add notes. Everything's going to synchronize with your Zoho CRM. And let's go. You can go directly here. You can click on this link to open your CRM to see it. You see, you connect with your Gmail and brought in all the information to your CRM. Okay. This is a very nice way to bring your contacts, from emails to your CRM and interact with your CRM from your Gmail.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.